Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes how to fix Bootrec Fixboot access is denied error in Windows. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Bootrec /Fixboot. Type disk part. Type list space disk. Star under GPT indicates the system partition is GPT or UEFI. Type cell space, disk space, 0. Type list space, vol. Select your system volume. Type assign space, letter equal to Z. Type vcd boot space, Windows installed drive colan / Windows space, /s space, assigned drive letter colan space, /f space, all. Bootrec space, /nt60 space, sys. Now type Bootrec /Fixboot. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.